Mbiamono murikito kurose county ya Nyamira jobu maangi hasoroboterwa senchira ayobo ikira numonchu murigeli bono litukori yale niko yengali tukori nago chia sabange litukeli gali manyekanete buna World Condoms Day litukeli gano konyara konyura anene aso tumiki bumipira yobwancha ni manyekata buna chi condom niko bono omoyegabe no kolekane me county ya Kisii sokurobo semye go chia sabantu ao enjara bante wetanga kurwa samarwire ao ayondaka koirwa sogo tatumye mipira yobwancha ni gose chi condom ya ni gago chali tukeli muryoka ekero keli tukeli yankre tukeli anto bancha ino se Valentine aseba boli koma maiso na kunyaro wetanga Ndemo Steven na mange
Korwa omwaka bweli bweyemo chimikianda 53 na isano na ibere 1987 chinse chabere chikonyora lituko veneli emepira yobwanchani International Condoms Day lituko ligocha lituke limo gochase lituko lya vanchaine lya Valentine's Day. Ime ya Kisii nigombo yegoyo waligani gwensemo ya Kisii National Polytechnic asebyombe au byachamo na gosemya vaikirana monomona abasae obuya bogo tumeke mepira yobwanchani
bono lero etogo target group ere to target timono ne group ya bana bantabake between age 19 to 34 and also na bantu bali at risk bali okonyora mostly bako the multiple sex partners ono toko ba encourage but nyari gotunyo mopira.
We are celebrating or commemorating one of the international days that helps in HIV prevention. We have a number of preventive mechanisms that we really want to promote, but condom is one of the simplest one that each and every Kenyan of adult age can access.
County ya Kisii nigebwate kerengo gyo kwambukira kwendwa lie nyamoreo ase kerengo kia ibere nugutakianda asemia yemo.
In Kisii, for instance, 59% of our population is youth, and you can see the essence now why we need really to promote the use of condoms amongst the youth.
Gwetero botumekyo buya bwemepire ye nigego kiana niyo kwambukira kwa maroira gutambukira nigwa gwetero bwanchani amono bureire bwa cervical cancer
goto ko encourage banyari gotumye mupira oyo egera batange ebirusi bya HIV nande batange koba ne musigo sokoba murito and also batange ebirusi bya cervical cancer bilibu cause cancer.
Valia barase nyomo nego bainyori gubuna obo tumeki bwemepira yobwanchani ngati chinchera chinyinge chitabire cyoko bangoro iboro family planning.
Zaidi ya kuzuia magonjwa, mpira hutumika kama family planning. Haina madawa yoyote yenye itaingia kwa mwili ya mtu, ila tu ni kutumia, na hakuna mahali mwili inaingia na dawa yoyote. Kwa hivyo tunaambia wenzetu wa youths, vijana watumie condoms sana ili izuie magonjwa. Kondom ya wanawake ndio itatumika sana. Naomba wenzetu waipate katika hospitali zetu za County Kisii. Juziko mingi sana, serikali imetumia pesa kununua hizo condoms ili watu wachikinge nayo.
We also target what we call key population, commercial sex workers, and all those people who are engaged in sex, who are at high risk in sex behavior.
The communities to understand why it is important to use condom and why it is important to promote condom and why it is also important to make condoms available for the general population.
Okwere ngate chenchera chingia chogwe yancha aseri tukelimo goika Valentine's Day engane mwamwere eanche bwanchu. Koripoteria Ndizi TV korwa Kisii National Polytechnic.